It's such a beautiful day today, and though I wake up super grumpy today, but when I went outside, I saw it's raining and it's very beautiful. The trees are treeing and the wind is winding. And I felt let's make the video today. So hi guys, I'm Yashil and welcome back to my channel. Feeling so nice saying this for the second time. The first time I said it, I almost cried. And for the second time, when I'm saying this now, I am feeling like all these kind of chills, happy, tickling feeling I'm getting. So, the next part of this video is because when I made my first video and I said, ki, uh, how to just get your true spark back again, and I have felt so lost in the past few years. I just didn't feel like myself for the longest in past few years, and to be very honest, now I want to feel like myself. Now I want to be that happy, good, chirpy, amazing, bad, bestest girl again. Not to please anyone, not to make the other person happy, but to please myself, but to make myself happy. Because I think I have a lot of expectations out of myself. I have a version of myself in my head where I feel that, oh, I can be this amazing person. So, but then I felt a void. Okay, when I started realizing that I'm losing my spark and I need to be this girl again, I felt a void because I don't know how. I don't know how to be this person again. Because ये कोई बताता ही नहीं है कि आपको ये इंसान कैसे बनना है. Yes, there are a lot of videos and I follow a lot of people who really tell you how to be yourself, how to set your boundaries, how to just live your life. But no one shows the true documentation process behind it. No one shows the uncertainties. No one shows कि अभी I'm breaking down during this journey. I'm feeling so lost in this journey as well. So I was sitting with this thought, for the longest time, and I realized that the reason I'm not able to be happy, the reason I'm not able to be that happy, choppy girl again is because I want to be that 21-year-old happy girl who just went wild with her life. But I don't want to accept the bad parts of her. I don't want to accept how she dealt with life. I don't want to accept the way she made the wrong decisions, the way she made the wrong choices, the way she trusted the wrong people, like the wrongest of people, right? But that's the whole point. I think that's what life is all about, right? Because मैं अभी कितना भी सोच लूं कि बस मुझे तो उसका अच्छा वाला पार्ट चाहिए. आई वांट टू बी जैसे वो खुश होती थी, जैसे शी यूज्ड टू बी ऑलवेज अप फॉर डूइंग सम थिंग्स. बट while she was up, while my past version was really up for doing anything and everything, she also made mistakes while doing that. She also took wrong turns while doing that. And I've come to a realization that I really need to forgive my past version. I really need to stop hating on myself because, hey, it's my life. Who's gonna live it if not me? Who's gonna make me happy if not me? Or agar, if I keep hating on myself like this, not my current version, but my past version, and if I keep hating on my past version like this, I will never be able to be happy in my future or in my present. So I literally sat down to be very honest for 1 week. मुझे last week video post करनी थी, मैंने नहीं करी. I don't want to force myself into anything. मैंने नहीं post करी. It was giving me too much pressure. Too much pressure not to post the video, but to just make a video for the sake of making it. I want this journey to be mine, as I said. So ऑलरेडी ये थॉट्स काफी टाइम से थे मेरे दिमाग में और मैंने शांति से पूरा लास्ट वीक बैठा. I jotted everything down, that what really troubles me, what makes me sad, what makes me frustrated with my own self, what are the parts of myself that I really hate about myself. And I came to a realization ki it's okay, I made those mistakes. We all are babies when we are starting out our lives apart from our parents. We leave that cocoon, we actually get into the world, and we start living life on our own terms. As fun as it sounds, and it is fun, it is also very challenging. It is also something that comes with uncertainties. You don't know the how to, because आपको कोई कितना भी बता दे कि ये हो तो इसको ऐसे डील करो, इस सिचुएशन से ऐसे डील करो, बट नो मैटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ समवन गोज थ्रू अ ब्रेकअप, हर किसी का ब्रेकअप बहुत अलग होता है. हम कितना भी सोच लें इसको भी इसने चीट करा, इसको भी इसने चीट करा, ऐसा कर लो, नहीं ब्रॉस, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो पाता. हर किसी की जर्नी बहुत डिफरेंट है. हर किसी का हर इंस्टेंस, हर लाइफ का पार्ट everything is very different, right? And somewhere along the way, I tried out meditation, I tried out a lot of things, and I took therapy as well. And that's what I learned, that even if today I'm sitting here and I'm realizing that, hey, I'm going wrong here, or hey, I'm, doing this and it's hurting me and it will hurt my future self even more, is solely and solely because of the person who I was back in the past, who I was before I became this person today. अगर उस इंसान ने कुछ अच्छी चीजें अचीव करी है, अगर उस इंसान ने लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करा है, सो देयर हैव बीन थिंग्स जो उसने गलतियां भी करी होंगी, जो उसने बुरी भी करी होंगी. एंड एज क्रिंज एज इट साउंड्स, या फिर घिसी पिटी एडवाइस, वन थिंग माई मॉम ऑलवेज यूज टू से कि, एंड आपकी मम्मी ने बोला होगा, पांचों उंगलियां अलग है, एक बहुत छोटी है, एक ऐसे है, एक ऐसे है, एक ऐसे है, एक ऐसे है, सबका फंक्शन अलग है, एक भी नहीं होगी इनमें से एनी फिंगर, it will cause a chaos, it will make a problem, you will be feeling कि अरे ये नहीं हो पा रहा है. एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही हमारे वर्जन्स होते हैं लाइफ में. कभी हम बहुत ग्रम्पी होते हैं, कभी हम बहुत गलत डिसीजंस लेते हैं, कभी हम बहुत सही डिसीजंस लेते हैं. बट द रियल गेम इज टू ब्रिंग योर स्पार्क, आई बिलीव, विच वर्क्स फॉर मी, और आई थिंक विच इज वर्किंग फॉर मी, इज accepting myself, and accepting myself whole damn completely fully, my bad part, my good part, my most hated part, things about me which I can't tell people just like that, और सबसे प्यार करना पड़ेगा यार, एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. अगर, और मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि whenever I'm starting out a new thing, to try something new, I get this anxiety, I feel so anxious कि पता नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. Be it like a very simple thing like a gym membership, I drag my husband कि नहीं यार तू साथ चल मेरे को, मैं अकेले जिम की मेंबरशिप नहीं कर पाऊंगी. what the world am I living in? मैं सारी चीजें अकेले करती हूँ, मैं क्यों नहीं कर पाऊंगी? Because it is just scaring me. Because for the longest time I have hated how I look, I have hated how my voice sounds, though it's amazing, I know a lot of people have told me, but I hated it. I hated how my body looks, I hated the years when I became fat, I hated so many things about me. And I didn't even realize कि ये जो मैं सोच रही हूँ ना, मैं खुश नहीं हूँ, मैं खुश हो नहीं पा रही हूँ, मुझे अच्छा बनना है, मुझे खुश बनना है, उसके लिए मुझे उन सब चीजों से प्यार करना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए मुझे उन सब चीजों को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा जिनसे मैं हेट करती हूँ अपने बारे में. So when slowly and gradually I realized all of these things, and I felt like if in the world I could do everything that I want, if in the world I could just go all out and I could live my life exactly the way I want to, how it would look like, what it would look like. I created a vision board overnight, and this is what it looks like. Yes, this is what my vision board looks like. And yes, I want 1 million followers, and I want to attract that. Okay, I want to make such bomb ass content. I want to be so unapologetically myself. Okay, I don't want to perform for anyone, I want to do it for myself. And I want this 1 million mark. Okay, I want to be a YouTube creative partner, I want to do everything that I love, and I love speaking, I want to do it for my living, I want to do it for my life. So that's what I would want to tell you as well. In the pursuit of finding your own spark, in the pursuit of becoming your best version, अपने पुराने वर्जन की गलतियां माफ कर दो. जो था, जैसा था, हो गया. आगे भी बहुत ऐसे टाइम्स आएंगे जब आप गलतियां करोगे. योर फ्यूचर सेल्फ विल फेस सम काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज वेयर यू विल टेक डिसीजंस, एंड then you will realize, oh my god, I fucked it up, like that. So we all do mistakes, and it's okay, it's okay. You never know क्या पता उन गलतियों की वजह से ही, क्या पता because of those decisions you realize this today, you become that kind of a person. एंड जितना तुमने सोचा था, जितना तुमने खुद के लिए चाहा था, जितना इमेजिन करा था, you live zillion times better life than that. You understand what I'm saying? Like larger than life you live. And तुम खुद के लिए खुद पे बैठ नहीं लोगे. Like मैं अगर खुद के लिए खुद पे बैठ नहीं लूंगी तो कौन लेगा? The world looks at you the way you look at yourself. अगर आज I am being confident enough, coming in front of the camera, speaking my heart out, sitting here, it will make an impact someday. It will make an impact someday for me. So no one's gonna take a bet for you. No one's gonna come every single day and make you happy if you don't want to be. No one's ever make you realize ki it's okay, yaar, you did it in the past, you made some mistakes, it's fine. So the first step I feel is just accepting yourself, accepting the way you are, accepting the way your hair is. My hair is very thin. It's fine. It's fine. I just can't uh, stop dreaming. I just can't stop going out in public. Like these are my fears, to be very honest. मैं बाहर जाने से डरती हूँ, मुझे लगता है मेरे बाल कितने पतले हैं, मैं पार्टी में आज नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं कितनी गंदी दिख रही हूँ, ओ माय गॉड, एक तो मेरी नाक इतनी बड़ी है, ओ माय गॉड, मेरे स्पेक्स लगे हुए हैं, मुझे इतने डार्क सर्कल्स हो रहे हैं, जो कि है, आई नो, बट इट मतलब है यार, फाइन, फाइन, आई मीन, who's beautiful or who's perfect or whose amazing standards you need to match? No one's. Who's lived a life, like who is this person who have lived a life, who has made every correct decision in their life? Who do you want to prove? You don't have to prove to anyone. This world is a free world, it's a free will. So live your life your way, because it's your own unique way. And as they say, it will be my life, it will forever be my life. I will not live by the definition of others. And to follow it, please accept yourself. I'm also trying that, you also try that. Much love. I'll see you in the next video. And if you want, create a vision board like this. It gave me a different kind of high, which I don't know what thing gave me last time. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna bloody fulfill all these dreams for myself, no matter how cringe it sounds, no matter how it looks to other people, no matter if someone tells me, oh, tum to aise dekh rahe the. I don't care. So you also don't care, and just go after your best version. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.